Hello guys, don't show you how to add chat overlay to OBS Studio, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's go to Google and let's go to Streamlabs. And let's click on the Streamlabs official website and log in with our account. So let's log in with Gmail here. Now head over to all widgets on the left sidebar and just locate the chat box widget, click on it and click escape here. But here just you don't have to miss all the parameters here, but you can mess with them. So here just you need to copy this widget URL, click on it and click on show and click on copy. Now head over to OBS Studio and on the full split click on the plus button and choose a browser and name the browser 1, for example. Don't click on OK, and here in the URL just paste the copied link from Streamlabs and hit an OK. And here we have the chat overlay added to your here it is, chat overlay added to my OBS Studio. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave